Hey guys! Okay, so we had some technical difficulties with this video, so here it is, coming at ya. How to French braid, kind of like a headband type side French braid. Especially during these quarantine times. I mean, most of us are not doing our hair, right? So, okay, our hair is doing what? Either it's down or we just throw it up into a bun because we don't know what to do with it. So for those times that you want to put it in a ponytail, get it out of your face, don't want your kids hanging on it or whatever it may be, using this tutorial to help learn how to do a side French braid is going to be a game changer for you, because not only is it not going to be just a boring ponytail or a boring bun, you're going to get a cute little hairstyle with it. So I have been doing this all the time. It helps me feel a little bit more put together when I actually do braid it and do it, even though I know it's going up in a bun or a ponytail. Doing this little couple-minute thing, and trust me, it will take you a couple tries in the beginning to get it, but do not give up because it is so cute and you can do it. I know you can do this. It's very simple. Even though you guys that don't know how to French braid, you can do it too. So here we go. So what I like to do is so my normal part is over this way. So I kind of go with my normal part. So find whatever that part looks like for you. You can do a really steep part if you want to do more of that whole French braid headband, or if you just want to do something little to just add to your hair, do it like maybe an inch more than your normal part. So after you do that, you're going to grab hold of this piece right here. So once you grab this piece, you're going to break it up into 3 pieces. 1 piece over here, 2 piece, 3 piece. Then you're going to braid. So you're going to put one under, and hold it. Okay, so now we have 3 pieces. Now, the big trick of all of this is the finger placement. It's the finger hold. So I have my 1 strand, 2 strand, 3 strand here. The finger placement and how you hold it will take the longest to learn, but trust me, just keep watching this video over and over again. You will get it. Trust me, trust me, trust me. So we have our 3 pieces. We're going to add some hair on this end over here. We're going to add some hair from this side to that other outside piece. So we're adding hair to our outside pieces and then braiding again, under, and some people go over, but I just do it under. So grabbing more hair on this side, grabbing more hair on the front side, adding it to those outside pieces. Braid under, and hold it. So we have our 3 pieces again here, adding some more hair from the back to that outside piece, adding some hair to the front piece. And like I said, the finger hold is the trickiest part, and then braid it. So I like to keep my braid very tight while I'm braiding it, just because I feel like I have more security. There's none of my little frizzies that are gonna come flying out, poking out any which way. So keeping it tight while I braid it is a preference, but I really think it's key. So let's add some more in the back, adding some more in the front. And you also want to guide where you want your braid to go. So you're gonna be pulling tight and moving it, so obviously we want it to go back because our hair will be going back. So we're gonna keep adding some in the back, some in the front. We have our 3 pieces, under. It's all in the wrist. It's all in the wrist. So then once you get by your ear, you can still continue to go back or just finish up the normal braid. And then what I like to do, there's 2 different options here. You can secure this with a little rubber band at the bottom and then start pulling out your braid so it's not as tight. Or you can leave it this tight. It's up to you. But if you want a more like at-home messy bun, I like to just loosen it up a little bit. But so here's my braid. And what I'm gonna do, since I don't have a little rubber band to kind of secure this, I recommend that if you're a noob, secure the end of this, and then you can go through and just start loosening, starting at the top and pulling those ever so gently. You don't want to pull them too much and then, like I said, get those little hairs that poke out. But if you just ever so gently pull up on those braids, you're gonna really loosen them and get that more like everyday. Look at that, okay? So then I'm gonna just pull the rest of my hair back and I'm gonna guide this down. And then grab all of this hair, finish it off with a cute little scrunchie, and then you will have finished this cute everyday bun. Look at that, guys, right? So cute. So once you have it all the way pulled back, if you still want it a little bit more looser, you can do just that. You can loosen up your bun. You can pull some side pieces down. I have like a funky colic over here, so I don't like to pull a lot of my hair down in front, but that is a really adorable, cute style too. I'll sometimes pull just these little wispies down here, just to make it not look like I'm, I don't know, going to a business meeting. I don't know. We'll add some of this here. And then I will probably I got some baby hairs growing in here too. I think my children for those baby hairs. And then you can loosen it up even more if you really like that look. So there, what do you guys think? You like it? If you have any questions, please send me a message or let me know. I will help you all along this entire process. But what a cute little additive to a low pony, a low bun. You could even bring it up high too and like braid it back. Like there's so much you can do with just a little side French braid. So questions, let me know. I will help you guys out if you want to achieve this.